morning everyone. First of all, I would like to thank the Mr. Mithilesh sir that he has given me a golden opportunity to be an announcer, to express something and to say something in front of my all students and my dear friends. Today I am very glad that I got a golden opportunity to say something and to be an announcer. Now, at first of all, introduce myself. My name is Vijay Kumar Mara from class T9, and now I am going to call Mr. Paras Kumar Yadav to say something. Please come.
Respected here, the teachers and my dear unknown and unknown friends. Today I am very happy to got a golden opportunity to deliver my short and sweet speech. And first I want to say thanks to our dear Mithilesh sir who gave me a chance to deliver my short and sweet speech on the topic of student life. And at first I want to define the life what is the student life. The life which is spent periodically in a school, college or university, that is called the student life. In this life we found too many friends. Some are bad and some are good. We have many stages in our life, but the student life is one of them, in which we made our future bright. In a student life, we found too many friends who gave us right idea to achieve the goal in our future. And last, I want to stop my speech here.
Thank you, Mr. Paras, that he explained about student life. And we know that most of the student life is spent in school or in college. And in this period, if we learn hard, if we do hard, then we will be success in life. That is all. Now, next, I would like to call Rohit Kumar Yadav to say a speech about something. Please come. Mr. Rohit, please come.
Good morning to all my friends and respected teacher Mithilesh Kapar sir. Thanks for giving me a golden opportunity to deliver my short and sweet speech on the education. Now I am going to tell something about education. Education is the most necessary things of 21st century. Without education, nothing is possible in our life. Education is necessary in each and every sector for each and every work. It helps to make our future bright. If we have not education, then we cannot be the successful person in future. To make our life easier and comfortable, education is very necessary. In today's world, there is many more developments is doing. With this development is possible due to education. Without education, no any development is possible in our country or in the world. Education ingrains civic and social responsibility among the people, and so education is very necessary to do any work nicely.
Thank you, Rohit Kumar Yadav, that he has given a very short and sweet speech about education. We know that education is very important in our life, and without education, nothing. Now next time, and then next, I would like to call Reena Kumari to give short and sweet speech. Please come.
Good morning everyone, me Reena Shah. I live from Barchava. I am a student in class T9 and school name Sri Janta Banwali Model Secondary School Technical Barchava Narha. Respected teacher and my dear lovely friends, today I am very happy for this opportunity and thank you for Mithilesh Kapar sir. Thank you for Mithilesh Kapar sir for this opportunity in a speech who has held in Vijay Mahara, and now I am going to start in a speech, and my short topic is Holi. Holi is a popular recent Hindu festival, and Holi is the festival of colors celebrated annually in a spring season. It is celebrated with great enthusiasm all over India and Nepal. This festival fall on the full moon days of Falgun month. People forget their world and play with color amongst each other during Holi. Holika Dahan is done in the evening of the full moon day, where a large pile of wood is burned on our ground as a symbol of Holika Dahan. On Holika Dahan, women sing traditional song during this time. On the next day morning, people play with color. Small children fill the balloons with colored water and throw on each other. People enjoy this festival by singing, dancing and eating tasty food. Everyone meet family and friend on this day and express their happiness. This festival symbol victory of good over evil. Happy Holi to all of you now, and I am going to stop my short topic and thank you all of them.
Thank you, Mrs. Irina Kumari, that she has given a speech about Holi. Now, next, I would like to call Mr. Ajay Kumar Yadav to say something. Please come.
Good morning, everyone. Thanks to Mr. Vijay, my friend. And I would like to heartily thanks to Mr. Mithlesh Kapar, sir, who can give me this golden opportunity. Respected teachers and here present all my dear friends, today sunshine morning I have got a golden opportunity to say something on front of you. My topic name is technology, so my topic is very short. So listen, be careful. We all know that in this modern age, technology is going to be rapidly and very necessary. Without technology, we can nothing in this modern age. Technology is used in everywhere, in every sector. So, with the technology, we should here presented. With the technology, we should is study, or with the technology, we should go anywhere. The technology is very necessary for human being life. In this modern age, we come in this modern age in 21st century with the taking technology. Technology is very necessary. There are advantages and disadvantages. We use properly with the technology and they give with us advantage, but we misuse on properly, they can give us affected. So I can give you the example of advantage. The technology is given a study. We should be a study with the technology power. And we should go anywhere, just like aeroplane, bus, and they are all the technology. And we should here presented in hospital, everywhere technology. And I would like to say something disadvantage of the technology. It can affect on our society, and it is very polluted our society. And it affect in our human being life. It is so we all know that technology is very necessary. So I would like to stop my short speech. Thanks.
Now, at last, I would like to thank all my dear friends and my respected teachers that he attended our program speech, and we all are very happy today. So thank you. This much for today. Thank you. Hello, sir.
Okay, thank you.